G'day, my name's Daryl Mohi. I'm a trainer with Ocean Earth. We're here to train the local community boys in Cert 3 of civil construction. There are 19 units that these boys are going through over 13 weeks, and also they'll walk out with 5 competencies, namely the grader, roller, tip truck, water cart and the loader. So hopefully down the track these boys are going to walk into some work straight away. Most of them are very good students and are doing really well. They all struggle with their maths and that, I noticed, but they all get over the top of it once you've given them a very good lesson in the basics and that. So overall I'm very happy with most of the boys, and I hope they are successful in the future, and hopefully Marawarra can help them along.
Okay, g'day. My name's Howard Randall. I'm a Cert 4 training assessor for Ocean and Earth, here to train some boys for Marawarra. We're training them up for a Cert 3 in civil construction machinery. By the end of it, in another 2 weeks, it's a 13-week course, so in another 2 weeks when we finish, all the lads will be passed out. They'll be able to maintain and grade roads. They'll be able to do drains, drive tip trucks, rollers, front-end loader, and drainage. They'll be able to maintain all roads and do all tasks like that. So yeah, it'll be a very good thing for them.
Stuart Jan, just at Bungardi community doing Cert 3 in construction with Ocean and Earth. At the moment we're on break, should be heading out back onto the roads to fix them up a bit more, do some grading and spray some water to keep the dust down.
Yeah, I'm Sanjay Rosewood, working from Marawarra, which is here at Bungardi, doing a Cert 3 in civil construction.
Up there and you lift your blade up, then you'll have your windrow all in a nice straight line, you know what I mean?
I'm just setting up from yesterday.
Yeah. Just meaning where you come around like you do just then to finish. That's perfect, that's the way you got to do it. But just lift your blade up instead of pushing it further away.
Alright.
So if you can bring those 2 rows right together, nice big row, and then I'll get you to level it out, cut it out.